Google Sheets now loads and transfers data faster than before. Google Sheets has once again received a performance boost following a significant update in June 2024 that significantly improved certain operations. Google has now introduced another round of optimizations that promise to make specific functions within Sheets up to 50% faster, with these improvements being immediately available to all users. In 2023, Google achieved a breakthrough, doubling calculation speeds in Google Sheets on Chrome and Edge, cutting processing times for complex tasks. While the latest updates aren't as monumental, they still offer a notable speed boost, crucial for those managing large data sets. The update enhances data pasting, filtering, and loading times. Pasting data between sheets is now up to 50% faster, benefiting users dealing with multiple spreadsheets or large data transfers. Filter conditions are also up to 50% faster, streamlining data organization. Additionally, loading existing data is up to 30% quicker, minimizing wait times for large or complex files. These improvements benefit all users, from Google Workspace customers to personal account holders, enhancing performance across various tasks. Whether for business, academic, or personal purposes, users notice these gains. While not as groundbreaking as last year's update, these changes ensure a more responsive Google Sheets experience.